In this video, I will show you two ways to download and install VPN on your LG Smart TV. Now, using a VPN can be very important, especially if you want to protect yourself while using the internet or just streaming content on the internet using your LG Smart TV. And one of the easiest way to get a VPN on your LG Smart TV is simply from the LG App Store. So you want to go ahead and open up the LG App Store, which is basically this app over here labeled apps. So scroll over horizontally on this list of apps until you get to apps over here. Click on it. And once the LG App Store or Content Store loads, you just want to scroll over to the top search bar at the top over here. So scroll to the top, come over to this search icon, click on it. And in this search input field, you want to go ahead and search for VPN. So go ahead and type VPN using this keyboard. And now from your LG App Store, you are going to see all of the VPN apps available for download on your LG Smart TV. So what you want to do is to go ahead and select the VPN app you actually want. For instance, over here we have the Hola VPN, which is basically one of the most popular. And if you scroll over here, you can also see the Bright VPN also, which is also another good VPN you can actually try on your LG Smart TV. For the purpose of this video, we are going to be using the Hola VPN. So go ahead and click on it just like so. And from here, you want to go ahead and click on the install button. Once it is done downloading, you can go ahead and open it up by just clicking on the launch button over here. Now what you want to do is to go ahead and click on get free unlimited VPN over here, and then go ahead and select the country you want to use as your VPN in this particular case. For me, I will go ahead and use Canada over here and then select it just like so. And now what you want to do is to go ahead and copy down this code that is being displayed over here, because we'll be needing it soon. And after you have done that, you want to come over to the home of your LG Smart TV, go over to settings over here, click on the settings icon, and now you're going to get the settings of your LG Smart TV at the right now. And what you just want to do is to scroll down until you get to network over here, click on network, and from here you just want to go ahead and select Wi-Fi connection over here. Now go ahead and click on other network settings and then scroll down until you get to advanced Wi-Fi settings over here. Now what you want to do at this point is to get to the edit button at the bottom over here. So you want to scroll down using your remote control, and then once you get to the edit button, go ahead and click on it. Now you want to go ahead and click on set automatically over here so that we can actually make edit to this. Now scroll down until you get to DNS server over here, click on it. Now at this point, you want to go ahead and enter the same code that I asked you to take note of in the Hola VPN app. So go ahead and write down that code inside of this input field over here. So I'll go ahead and enter mine. Now finally, once you enter the code, you want to go ahead and click on enter just like so, and then scroll down and click on connect. Now once all of this is done, you want to go back to the home of your LG Smart TV, and then you want to go ahead and open up the Hola VPN app. So scroll horizontally till you get to the app over here, go ahead and open it up, and from here you just want to scroll down and click on connect or check connection over here. And as you can see, our LG Smart TV is now being connected to the VPN app. So you can now go ahead and start streaming or browsing the internet with your LG Smart TV, and you'll be protected by the Hola VPN app. Now an alternative way to actually get a VPN on your LG Smart TV is to simply go ahead and download a VPN into your Wi-Fi or your mobile phone, and then connect your LG Smart TV to the Wi-Fi or your mobile phone. So first things first, you have to get a Wi-Fi that actually accepts the installation of VPN. Not all Wi-Fi accepts the installation of VPN, so you have to be particular about getting a Wi-Fi that actually accepts the installation of VPN. Now once you install the VPN on your Wi-Fi, you can now go ahead and connect your LG Smart TV to the Wi-Fi by just going to the network settings of your LG Smart TV. That will be all on how to download and install VPN on your LG Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.